How to remove Snapchat filters from a photo. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove a Snapchat filter from any photos. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Snapchat application from your device and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now, in order to remove a filter, tap on the photos icon on your top left, on your bottom left. As you do so, tap on the pencil icon on your top left and swipe into your right. Now these are all the Snapchat filters, and you can continue swiping them until you find its original format. To save it, simply tap on export on your bottom right, swipe into your left and tap on download. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.